To fix a Samsung top-load washing machine that doesn't fill with water, several potential issues can be explored. One possible cause is a water supply challenge, which can lead to inadequate water pressure and interrupt the water flow into the washer. To confirm if the water supply is the issue, try opening other taps in the house to check if water is flowing. If the water supply is not the problem, the piping could be faulty, in which case, seeking plumbing services may be necessary. Another potential cause is the faucet that supplies water to the washer, which may be closed or have wear and tear, or be clogged, preventing water flow. Replacing the faucets could be a solution if this is the case. Additionally, the water inlet hose may be clogged, which can block water flow. To address this, start by closing the water supply and removing the hose from the washer. Then pass water through it in a sink to check for blockages. If the hose is clogged, a solution of vinegar and baking soda can be used to flush it out and clean it. Once the hose is clean, it can be reinstalled on the washer, potentially resolving the issue. By exploring these possible causes and taking the necessary steps, it may be possible to fix a Samsung top-load washing machine that doesn't fill with water.